Hello Odoo mates and welcome back to our Odoo accounting series. In today's video, I will show you how to create a debit note in Odoo accounting. A debit note is used when you return goods to a vendor or were overcharged. It helps reduce the payable amount in your books. So let's begin our video on how to book debit note. For creating the debit note, go to accounting module, open any vendor bill. Click on credit note on top, enter a reason. Now simply click on reverse. Now if your whole bill has been reversed, you need not change anything. Simply click on confirm. If your bill amount has been reduced partially, simply change the amount by which you need to book the debit note. Click on confirm and that's it. Your debit note is now recorded and linked to the respective vendor bill. You have successfully created debit note in Odoo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.